Hey y'all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and we are doing a quick little makeup video today with a sort of half smoky eye. I have cleansed my face and am using a few e.l.f. products that you've already seen. Before I started adding the foundation, we used the e.l.f. primer putty, and we are using Juvia Places I Am Magic foundation. I am stippling it on with the brush, and then I went ahead and used a damp sponge to continue to press that foundation into my face. Now I'm using Fenty Honey colored dusting powder. I put a little napkin because I saw that I got some powder on my white tee, so we put some tissue there. Now we are going in with the brows. Already did that, going too fast, and doing the contour as well. The brows were done with e.l.f. gel, as well as a brow pencil from my local beauty supply store. This is contouring using the Skin Stick in Truffle from Fenty, and I'm blending that out under the chin, from behind the ear, under the chin, around the nose, around the hairline, which I bring it down near my eye, the point of my eyebrows. This is a very dense brush that blends well that I got off of Instagram, so I'm continuing to blend by using that. And continuing to blend. Blending is your friend. That contour, you definitely want to contour because you want to have a 3D face and not a 2D face. I'm using the Charles palette from Morphe. It has lots of colors in it. If you just have to pick one palette, which is so hard for me, I would go with that. This is a reddish brown that I'm going right above the crease with, and then a darker brown, chocolatey brown right under that into the actual crease, and blending those two together. So it's a little smoky eye with a touch of pop of color on the lower lid, but there's some smoke there. So I'm using a pinkish red color right in the corner of the lid, the outer corner of the lid, and blending that up into our smoke. It's hot in there, y'all. I was bending back to the fan to get some air. So we are taking Juvia in number 17 concealer because I forgot to clean up my brows before I started my shadow. But that's just fine. We keeping it moving. Just cleaning up the brow and blending that in, and going ahead and putting some of our highlight around our face. I like to draw lines across my brows to make sure that they're even, and take a look. Now I'm starting to blend that into the foundation I've already put around there, but you know that you put your highlight where the points of light will hit your face. Using my damp sponge to blend that a little more. This is the shimmery pink that I got out of my ipsy bag, putting it on the inner lid. Here I'm just going back and blending some more with the eyes, using a gold now to go in there. You saw me use something I got in my ipsy bag that was a nice sparkly pink, so you see that in the middle. And I'm going in with my NARS concealer in the corners of the eye and right around the ring area. You see I don't make the full upside down triangle. You want to have less is more there, and I'm blending that with a brush that I got in my Etsy bag as well. That is for contour blending. So inside the laugh line is where you want to put your highlight. The outer part of the laugh line is where you want to put contour. That just makes it blend a little more seamlessly and gets rid of that harsh laugh line. Here I'm just putting some powder, just a little. I'm not doing the massive baking and big powdering here. This is that dense brush that I got off Instagram, and I am now going back again with the damp sponge. This is a palette I've had for 100 years and it just really sets your contour. That's how I use it. Now I am going in to put a few strokes with this hair strokes with the pen from Milani, and I support my eye with that. Now I'm putting the glue for my lashes on. I've always for the past 15 years put the glue directly on my lash line like liner. Push the lash in, and these are some new lashes I'm trying out. They are quite the 5D. Now I am putting some liner on and doing my cat eye with that liner. And you see how that just works well with the eye look that I have put together here. Okay, just blending some more. This is the final look. I used a little rose gold as a liner under the waterline that you can see here. I also have on a headband wig that I haven't reviewed yet, but that's coming. But this is the final look. I have fixed my broken nails that you saw as I was getting ready, and you can see the blended shadows, how they go from the lighter pink into the pinkish red, but you still have smoke going on in the crease and going up to the brow line. Thank you so much for being with me. I appreciate every moment you give me, and I hope you liked the look. Thank you for supporting my channel. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Bye-bye.